Hey guys, Dr. Betts here, All In with Dr. Betts on my YouTube channel. I am here with the Broward College North Campus Science Club and Amber Abels. You may remember her from the podcast. She's that crazy lady who swam with freaking sharks. All right?
No laser beams.
Now
though.
she's going to tear one apart for you doing a little pig dissection, so you might want to stay tuned. It's going to get, well, shall we say, medieval and really gross. So stay tuned. We're going to focus in on the camera. Amber's going to take you through it. It's actually a learning experience, but really gross at the same time. Take chemistry.
Don't listen to him. Take biology. It's going to get fishy. Sharks are made of cartilage. We have 5 senses. Sharks have 6. And so they're intromittent organs for copulation. All right, so we got a big lady shark, and she's hopefully a big mama shark. She's got some babies in there. You ready? This one's all the way down in the birth canal. Do sharks have lungs?